Brantley Kushner. I've been with ATI 10 years next year. I'm an executive project director with the NRS team based out of Chicago, Illinois. We were called out to an apartment complex in St. Petersburg, Florida, the morning after Hurricane Milton hit the coastline. It was shocking to see the state of this property when we got on site. It was myself and Ryan Moore, who's the president of ATI. Not only showed me, but the entire ATI team that it starts at the top. We identified that there were 279 different apartment units that were impacted. The majority of them were full guts of the apartment units. We really had to get a strong team of moisture mappers and damage assessment guys from supervisor level, technician level, all the way up to project director level. It was really cool to see the team together and within 48 hours have all of these impacted units looked at, moisture mapped, and have a demo and reconstruction plan put together that we were able to provide to the client and kind of show them, this is the severity of this loss, here's what we can do to help. DocuSketch was our number one. Being able to be in our on-site office while our team is taking full scans of each individual unit, and me being able to pull that up on my computer and being able to assess and start building our demo plan, our reconstruction plan, schedule for the project. And that saves us weeks worth of inspection time, estimating time, material ordering time. DocuSketch was definitely the major driver in the efficiency of this project. We did demo, moisture mapping, environmental testing, remediation, cleaning, insulation, HVAC, plumbing, drywall, painting, trim, carpet, you name it. We were able to do this through our problem-solving expertise, getting together as a team, having strategic planning meetings internally with ATI, but externally with the client. My ability to trust all these people with portions of my job and them trusting me with portions of theirs on a project of this magnitude, having that open line of communication with your team is definitely a major driving force to success. Not only did we have to succeed in getting this project rebuilt for our client, but we needed to have a positive impact with the community. We brought 1,000 cases of water on site, and displaced residents were able to get cases of water for free from our team. We brought food trucks and paid for all of the ATI workers on site every day, and there would be leftover meals that we would donate to the maintenance staff, to residents. We were able to turn over 279 units in 6 weeks. They were forecasting loss of rent for potentially 4 to 5 months. They only lost a month and a half due to our ability to turn these units back over to them in a move-in ready fashion.